We have trinomials in the numerator and denominator. Both of these are going to require us to do factoring. So we want to factor the top and the bottom, and then that's going to leave us hopefully with something that we can cancel out. That's the idea on these problems. On top, we're going to factor the bottom one. We're going to factor as well. Okay, we're looking for numbers that multiply to make negative 30, but add to be 7. All right, so we've got, so 30 has a couple different ones. 1 and 30, that won't work. 2 and 15 won't work. Then we have 3 and 10. 3 and 10 is the combination we want to use here. So 3 and 10, because it has to be a negative, I'm going to put the negative with the larger number. So now I have x squared. I have a minus 10 plus 3 does add up to negative 7. And then 3 times negative 10 would be negative 30. The bottom one, 36, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to make 36 and add to be 15. So 1 and 36 is no. We have 2 and 18, no. 3 and 12. 3 and 12 will be the one that's going to work there. So a 3 and a 12 here. Everything is all positive, which means that these will all be positive on the bottom. Okay. We notice now, once we've factored, we have x plus 3, top and bottom. That can be canceled. So we're going to cancel those out. We get x minus 10 over x plus 12. You're not able to reduce the 10 and the 12. The reason why is because you have plus and minus signs that are separating those. The only way you'd be able to reduce those is if this was a multiplication problem, x times 10 and x times 12, then you could reduce it. But with plus and minus signs, can't do any more to reduce. So that's as far as you can go with your answer. Let's try another one of those same kind of problems. So this one here is another one where we're going to factor the numerator and factor the denominator. So these are all, put our x's in here to get the x squared. All right, now we're looking for two numbers that multiply to make negative 22 that add up to 9. It's really just 2 and 11 are the factors that will work on this. Because it has to be a positive 9, we'll put the plus with the larger number. So x minus 2 and x plus 11. The bottom one, two numbers that multiply to make 16, they add to be negative 10. Now 16, you've got 1 and 16, you have 4 and 4, or 2 and 8. 2 and 8 is the combination that's going to work. Because this needs to be a negative, both of these are going to need to be negative because negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. But if you add negative 2 and negative 8, you'll get negative 10. We notice here that we now have something that we can cancel. The x minus 2s will cancel out. You get x plus 11 and x minus 8. Nothing more we can do with this. There's no reducing. That would be in lowest terms.